Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off profile views on TikTok. So go for your TikTok app and click on your profile, and you can see there is an option here, an icon here. So click on it and just click on now turn on. So it's done. This is how you can turn on profile views on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.